Rotating objects in PowerPoint may seem daunting, but it's a breeze once you get the hang of it. So in this video, we will show exactly how to do that. So what you will need to do first is open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Then select the element you need to rotate, head to the Picture Format tab if it's an image, and then find the Rotate option. Now in the dialog box, enter the exact number of degrees for rotation and hit Enter. Additionally, if you want to easily flip the image horizontally or vertically, do it by going to the Picture Format tab, click on the Rotate Objects icon in the Arrange panel, then select Flip Horizontal or Vertical to reorient their attention directly onto your content. However, if you want to mirror text or graphic, you might need to screenshot it first, edit it, then flip it as an image. But if you want to mirror multiple images at once, you can select the objects you want to mirror by holding down the Shift key as you click on them. Then choose Rotate from the Picture Format tab. Then pick Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical to achieve the desired format. Now that's how easy you can rotate and mirror objects in your PowerPoint presentation. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.